Hello friends, welcome to our channel Data Science Lovers, a platform where you can learn from real world projects. All of you have heard about pivot table in Excel. A pivot table is a special kind of table which summarizes the data in a meaningful way. When we create a pivot table in Python, it is created in the form of a new data frame. There are three simple syntaxes by which we can create a pivot table in Pandas. We are working in a Jupyter notebook and we will import our data. This is a sample data in the form of Excel file. So this is our small data which we will consider. First of all, if I show you the data types of each column, then the name and product column has data type object, or you can say string. Now to create a pivot table with this kind of table, we will simply write our data frame name underscore table, and there are three parameters in this syntax. The first one is values, second one is index, and third one is columns. So the value must be of numerical column and the index and columns must be of categorical column. So we can consider any numerical column from this table. Let's consider this column quantity, and we have to consider two other columns in the form of index and the columns. If we consider the name column as our index and the other column we will consider as column is product. So this is the simple syntax to create a pivot table in Pandas. So as you can see, the name column has been converted to our index, where each unique element of name column is shown here, and the product column of our above table has been converted to the column part, where each unique element of the product column is present, and the values are taken from the quantity column. As you can see, Sham has bought 36 batteries, Ram has bought 7 breads, and Ganesh has bought 2 chocolates, and so on. The second syntax to create a pivot table is same as of first. You have to remember that there are three parameters in this syntax. The first one is values, index, and columns. So this is the sequence. The first parameter must always be a values. We can write direct quantity, and our second categorical column index, we can write the column name, and for the third parameter we can write the column name directly. In this syntax we have used the parameters names also, values, index, and columns, but in this syntax we are not using these parameters names. We are writing only the columns names which we are considering. So as you can see, the result is same. And the third syntax to create a pivot table is directly from Pandas, pd dot pivot table, and here we have to write our data frame name which we have to consider. We have to consider our data frame name. This is our data frame name, df, and again our numerical column name. In this I choose a different numerical column like order number. If I choose, then I will write my numerical column name, my categorical column name, and my column name for pivot table. So again I have received the same results. Please see the difference. Here we have used the pd.pivot table and written the data frame name inside the brackets. In the above two syntaxes we have written data frame dot pivot table, df dot pivot table. So this is the difference. If you want to learn from real world projects, then you can subscribe our channel